You can easily fix the P0110 engine code by replacing the IAT sensor. This engine code indicates that the engine control module, ECM, is receiving a faulty voltage signal from the IAT sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. The intake air temperature sensor is used by the engine's power control module to decide at which rate the engine should spark and inject fuel to obtain optimal performance. It is usually located in the air intake boot, but it may also be located in the air cleaner housing or intake manifold. A faulty IAT sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P0110 error code at home. The IAT sensor. The IAT sensor could be on the throttle body attached right to the intake manifold first. Carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle, visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the IAT sensor in order to get a correct reading. Check your owner's manual to see the specific IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.